In this video, I'm going to show you how to block new requests to access your microphone in Mozilla Firefox step by step. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you're tired of websites constantly asking for microphone access. Whether you want a little more control, fewer pop-ups, or just better privacy while browsing, this guide will walk you through it clearly and quickly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Click that menu to open the browser options. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the Firefox Settings page, where you can manage privacy, permissions, and other browser preferences. Now, on the Settings page, look for the section related to permissions and data. Click on Permissions and Data to continue. Inside that area, find and click Microphone. This is where Firefox manages microphone permissions for websites and controls how new access requests are handled. A small window or section will appear with microphone settings. At the bottom of that pop-up window, you should see a checkbox that says Block New Requests asking to access your microphone. Go ahead and check that box. This tells Firefox to stop asking you for microphone permission when new websites try to request access. Once you've selected that option, don't forget the final step. Click Save Changes so your new settings take effect. If you skip this step, the setting may not be applied properly, so make sure you save before closing anything. And that's it. You've now blocked new requests to access your microphone in Mozilla Firefox. This is a great way to reduce interruptions and keep better control over your browser permissions. If you ever change your mind later, you can always come back to the same settings and adjust it again. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.